So for those of you who asked about the self-grading Excel files, or for who were helping me with the self-grading Excel files, here is what I came up with. So let me just show you an example. Notice I have all these boxes that say correct question mark in gray and then no below them. The default is no. So if I enter the information here to solve this problem, uh, and 10 years. All right, if I enter the information, notice how that went from correct no to correct yes. That's because I had the FV formula input into there already. Now, how is this working? It says equals if grade sheets. And it's looking at the grade sheet that I have in there. Now notice there is no grade sheet that the students have access to. So what did I do? If I go here, even if I go to view code and I go down there to the grade sheet and I try to make that unhidden, you will see it's not visible. So the students who do know how to go ahead and try to access the code are going to be unable to do that. So how did I make that work? What I did is I actually protected the structure of the grade sheet. So this will make it impossible for the students to access the grade sheet in order to cheat, unless they go ahead and know my super special secret code, which I guess if you really, really want to try, it is an old license plate number. However, let's face it, I've had a million cars. So that will make sure that across several states, by the way, the students who are now Googling. So that will make it very difficult for the students, though not impossible. I'm sure some super sleuth out there will find it, to be able to figure out how to access the grade sheet. So this will give them feedback to, are they answering their questions correctly? Now, if anyone knows how to go ahead and do the same thing for the conceptual questions, that would be awesome. I'm sure that's a lot more coding that I'm looking for. I know that you can do something similar in H5P, and I do that, but with H5P, the disadvantage is that it only saves the most recent version, so I can't use that for something like a problem set where I want the students to go back and work on it throughout that entire chapter. So if anyone has any additional feedback, suggestions for me on what I could do to improve this, that would be awesome. Thanks.